I am the chief candy maker. Means I cook the candy in the big copper kettles on the 100-year-old stove with the big stick, you know? And my sister is the candy dipper. That means that she touches every piece of candy and hand dips in this really great chocolate that we have. I don't know how to describe it. It's just really good candy. I mean, there is some bad candy out there that's homemade, but ours is good.
Yeah. And it is traditional candies that my grandfather made, you know, the peanut brittles, caramels, buttercreams, you know, we make those types of candies that have been around for a long, long time. And every day we are reminded of my grandfather's time here and that he came to a small town as a Greek immigrant and opened up a very thriving business.
What we provide is an experience.
Yes,
and
we do.
We joke around a lot, and we have good people working for us, and we actually learn our customers' names, and you know, we spend time with them. So I don't know, it's that interconnectedness that makes me love rural Illinois.
You know, and we'll have a lot of customers who are literally driving through the state and they'll stop here because they know they can eat and get some candy and get some love. And and it kind of sounds like that Norman Rockwell environment, but it really is.